Hey there guys, Billy here, and today I'm starting my preparedness journey. Our experts at Briden Solutions advise that everyone should start by having a 72-hour emergency kit, so that's exactly what I'm doing today. Let's go. Here it is. I picked up a 2-person deluxe 72-hour kit which should keep me and my partner safe for around 3 days. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we've got some food, water, lime, shelter, basically everything you'd need in an emergency. It's kind of like a lifeline packed into a bag. Now, when it comes to storing your 72-hour kit, it's important to choose the right place. I'm often on the road, so mine will be here in the car, ready for any situation. You might want to store yours in a closet at home, a basement, or even the office. The key is accessibility and making sure it's easily reachable. I've also got this list of 8 areas of preparedness. This kit is designed to cover these already. In our upcoming videos, we'll delve deeper into each one of these and how this kit can help. Be sure to hit that follow button if you haven't already to stay up to date on this journey. Catch me on the next one where I'll start talking about these different areas of preparedness. Until then, stay safe and I'll see you soon.